Hello and heartily welcome everyone. Presentation about optical sensor by V. Meenachi Sundaram, B. Mechanical Engineering, final year, Sedu Institute of Technology. Before we begin the section, I would like to give a short introduction about the topics. Introduction about the optical sensor. It's about what is optical sensor and how it's working. Types of optical sensor. What are the types of optical sensor we are using currently? Application of optical sensor. What is the real purpose of using different types of optical sensor? Advantage and disadvantage of optical sensor. What is the advantage we are gaining by using the optical sensor and what are the disadvantage we are facing by using the optical sensor? Optical sensor. An optical sensor converts light rays into electronic signal. It measures the physical quantity of light and then translates it into a form that is readable by an instrument. An optical sensor is generally part of a larger system that integrates a source of light, a measuring device, and the optical sensor. Types of optical sensor. The optical sensor types include point sensor, distributed sensor, extrinsic sensor, intrinsic sensor, through beam sensor, diffuse reflective sensor, and retroreflective sensor. Point sensor. A point sensor sits at a fixed location on a roadway, sees the passenger of the vehicle above or under it, and reports traffic data only this particular location over time. It is widely used in water tank level indicators. Through beam sensor. The system consists of two separate components, the transmitter and the receiver. The transmitter and the receiver are placed opposite to each other, and the transmitter is used as a light beam source and sends signal to the receiver. An interruption of the light beam is interrupted as a switch signal by the receiver. It is irrelevant where the interruption occurs. It is widely used by large operating distance can be achieved and the recognition is independent of the object surface, structure, color or reflectivity. It is widely used in the industries to count the products. Diffuse reflective sensor. In this sensor, both the transmitter and the receiver are placed in single housing. The transmitter light is reflected by the object to be detected. The diffused light intensity at the receiver serves as the switching condition. Regardless of the sensitivity setting, the rear part always reflects better than the front part. This leads to the consequences to errorless switching operations. This is used in the industry conveyors. Retroreflective sensor. In the sensor, transmitter and receiver are both in the same house. Through a reflector, the emitter light beam is directed back to the receiver. An interruption of the light beam initiates a switching operation. Where the interruption occurs is of no importance. All objects interrupting the light beam are accurately detected independently of their surface, structure or color. Advantages of optical sensor. Compact and lightweight in design, accurate, identification process is easy, low cost, no high level changes in environment, durability, maintenance free. Disadvantages of optical sensor. High power consumption, not approved by the US Environmental Protection Agency. Temperature can have effect on sensor, relatively new technology. Application of optical sensor. Used in alarm systems, synchros for photographic flashes, ambient light sensor as mobile handset, medical applications like used in breath analysis, photoplasmography, optical heart rate monitor, in all kind of liquid level indicators, industrial applications like explosive chemicals and gases, oil and gas applications, pipeline monitoring. In this presentation, we've seen what is optical sensor, how it's working, what are the types of optical sensor, what is the purpose of using the optical sensor, what is the advantage, disadvantage and the application of optical sensor. And thank you so much for watching.